For question 1, part B, it's asking you to create a method that would calculate the sum of each row in the 2D array and return a regular array with those sums. So on the left, it's the College Board's possible answer that they had. And basically, they created an array that's called sums, and they made it equal to the length of R2D, which is the 2D array, that is the parameter. And then they also made a variable that would help them go through each array inside the 2D array, since they're using a for each loop. And then they just return the sums array. And then for my answer, which is the one on the right, I also made an array to store the new values, and then instead of a for each loop, I used a normal for loop that went from 0 to r2d.length minus 1, because if I had I is less than and equal to r2d dot length, that would go over, so there'd be a out of bounds error. So I used array sum to get the sum of each row, and then I just returned the array at the end. So for the rubric, you would get 1 point if you had the correct length for the regular array, and then you would get another point if you went through all the rows. So for this, you don't go out of bounds or anything like that. And then the third point is when you calculate the sum of each row using the array sum method, which was from part A. And then you get the fourth point if you return the 1D array with the sums of each row.